March 23rd, 2026. I noticed something. I was looking through some videos. Of course, we all see the AI stuff now. Noticed a few videos of people that look like they're sitting there doing a podcast with a microphone. You could tell the voice was AI. Then after looking for a few seconds, blinking funny and weird gestures, it's like, oh, the whole thing's AI. So the video, the person, and the voice was all AI. So I started clicking on some of those channels to look at them. A lot of them were made 1 to 2 months ago. Start paying attention when you see the AI videos on YouTube. I listened to some music this morning. About to ready to paint my truck too. Praying. I'm praying for a lot of stuff lately. I'm for y'all too. I have thoughts to prosper you and not to harm you. There's some words over here I'm going to look at in a minute though. It's a little iffy. But I just want to show them to some people. Hopefully this video don't get deleted. Some of my YouTube's kind of hacked, deleted, purposely tampered with. I'm not really on social media much. Alright, paint work is what I'm trying to do. But yeah, I'm kind of getting the feeling those videos, if they're not now, the whole channel's made by an AI agent, possibly. There's a lot of them. So we gotta be real careful what we look at now. Yeah. Look at some old words this morning. I hear a lot of people say, oh, God tested me, or this or that. No, devil tests you. Devil tests people all the time. Let's see. You can look at some other stuff. I'll just read. Zechariah 13:9. I will bring a third through the fire, and will refine them as silver is refined. I will try them as gold is tried, and they shall call on my name, and I will hear them. I will say, it is my people. And they shall say, the Lord is my God. Let's see, who's God's people? I'm not here to argue. It's not here. There's a lot in the book of Hosea. I think it was Isaiah 19 or 19:25, maybe even. Let's see what Isaiah 19:25 says from my memory. There's a lot in Isaiah, for great is the book of Isaiah. Great. Did I turn right to it? I did, Isaiah 19:22. Excuse me. No, it ain't 22, it is 25. I don't want to take it out of context, though, right? It says, blessed be Egypt, my people, and Assyria, the work of my hands, and Israel, my inheritance. What about Isaiah 45:7, when everybody blames the devil for all the bad stuff? I passed it. Man, there's a lot in Isaiah. God said in Isaiah 45:7, I form the light and create darkness. I make peace and create evil. I, the Lord, do all these things. Woe to him that strives with his maker. Ask of me things to come. Ezekiel. Now what else we got? That's from me. How I flip like that's from me. I've done learned. Hebrews, should read that whole book. Turn that audio book on. Just listen to it. You don't feel like reading. It goes in your ears. It's different. When you read it, speak it, and hear it. I'm not Mormon, but there's some interesting things in the Book of Mormon, too. I don't know what you call me. I don't really call myself Christian either. Jesus is my Savior. I'll say that again. Wonder if it's why the last one was deleted. We shall see. But the end of all things is at hand. Be ye therefore sober and watch until prayer. What up, Pete? God bless. I'm gonna keep going. I'm trying to get this stuff done. Not trying, I'm working towards it. God bless your day. Focus. Even if the camera don't focus, there you go. Just sit a minute. Peace.